Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to pay via ACH in 2025. If you're tired of dealing with checks or cash, ACH, short for Automated Clearinghouse, is a fast, secure way to handle electronic payments. It's widely used for things like bill payments, direct deposits, and even peer-to-peer transfers. By 2025, with more digital advancements, ACH is becoming even easier and more integrated into everyday life. Let's break it down step by step so you can start using it confidently. First off, what exactly is ACH? It's a network in the US that processes electronic funds transfers between banks. It's reliable, cost-effective, and often faster than traditional methods. To get started, you'll need a bank account. Step 1. Log into your online banking portal or app. Most major banks, like Chase or Bank of America, have dedicated sections for ACH transfers. Look for options like Make a Payment or Transfer Funds. Next, gather the necessary details. You'll need the recipient's routing number and account number. These are like the address for your money. Double-check them to avoid any hiccups. Once you're set, select ACH as your payment method, enter the amount, add a memo if needed, and schedule the transfer. In 2025, you might see new features like instant ACH approvals or biometric verification for added security, making it quicker than ever. A few pro tips. Always verify the recipient to prevent fraud, as ACH transactions can take 1 to 3 business days to process. Watch out for any fees. Some banks charge for outgoing transfers, so compare rates. And if you're paying bills, set up automatic ACH payments to save time and avoid late fees. There you have it. Paying via ACH is straightforward and a game changer for managing your finances. Give it a try, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.